In this video, we will review how to format and modify text with functions. First of all, we're going to take a look at right, left, and mid, and then we will utilize the trim function. Here we have a fake list of Social Security numbers, and we want to separate those into left, middle, and right portions. For the left portion, you can click on Formulas, click on Insert Function, type in left, click Go, click on left, click OK, and the text in this example is the Social Security number. For the left portion of it, we want the first 3 characters, so the number of characters will be 3. And then click OK. Now, to set the mid function, click the drop-down arrow on Text and then click on Mid. The text again is going to be the Social Security number. Now, we're trying to extract the middle portion of it. Well, the middle portion starts at character number 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts at character number 5. So that's our starting number. And then how many characters do we want it to pick up from position 5 over? Just 2 of them, because we want 5 and 6. So we put in 2 here and click OK. And then lastly, for the right portion, just hit equals to start it, type in right, type in an opening parentheses. The text, again, will be the Social Security number, and then we need 4 characters from the right hand side. Close the parentheses and press enter. Now you can simply autofill the formula for the rest of the list. Now let's take a look at trim. Notice in the entries on the left we have some extra spaces. You've got some spaces here at the beginning. This one's got a few after it. Typically when you bring data into Excel, you don't want excess spaces. That can cause issues. So to quickly clean up data, you can use the trim function. And you can see here we just put in equals, trim, and then the text. Close the parentheses and press enter. And you can see here with this one we had 1, 2, 3 spaces at the beginning. But notice after trimming it, we will copy it and just paste the value. Notice that you don't have excess spaces. So now you can just use autofill, and you can see that it does remove all of the excess spaces. Now let's take a look at the upper, lower, and concatenate functions. Upper refers to converting an entry to uppercase, and lower refers to converting it to all lowercase. So click in the desired cell, click the Formulas tab, click the drop-down arrow on the text group, scroll down, and then click on Upper. The text in this case would be the name. Click OK, and you can see that it will convert the entry to all uppercase letters. For lower, you will click the drop-down arrow on the text group, click on Lower, click the text that you wish to convert to lowercase, click OK, and then use autofill for the formula. For concatenation, that means you are putting fields together. You can see here we've got first name, last name, and middle initial, and when we put in the concatenate formula, we put it all together with full first name, middle initial, and then last name. For this one, again, you can click the drop-down arrow on the text group, click Concatenate, Text 1 in this example would be the first name. Text 2 would be the middle initial, and then text 3 would be the last name. We don't need a fourth text entry. Notice that we do not have any spaces in between this. We will manually correct that. So click OK. And you can see how I put the spaces in manually here. That's what we will do with this formula up in the formula bar. And then you can autofill the formula. And this concludes the review for formatting and modifying text with functions.